Welcome to the ultimate guide for non-coding professionals, the top 20 use cases for NotebookLM, powered by Google Gemini. NotebookLM is an AI research assistant grounded in your sources. It looks only at the documents you upload, ensuring zero hallucinations and 100% privacy to your data. Go from hours to seconds with instant synthesis. This no-coding tool is built for business, education, and creators, seamlessly integrating with Google Docs, slides, and PDFs to digest massive reports instantly. Get instant summaries and turn 100 pages into a single page instantly. Digest complex reports and get clean, simple outputs based strictly on your uploads. Talk to your documents. Ask natural language questions and get answers cited directly from your text. You can even compare conclusions across multiple files. Use the AI podcast generator to convert text to speech using audio overviews. It creates a two-person dialogue, perfect for commuting or learning away from screens. With the YouTube analyzer, you can read videos without watching them. It analyzes transcripts from lectures, webinars, and news clips to extract key insights. Leverage visual brainstorming to auto-generate mind maps from text. Visualize how complex concepts connect and see the big picture immediately. Auto-generate slides and draft a video outline in seconds. It saves hours of manual formatting, converting dense content into clear bullet points. Create instant study guides. Turn raw notes into structured guides. Generate self-testing quizzes and flashcards, and review key points for retention. The executive brief ensures you walk into any meeting fully prepared. Synthesize agendas, reports, and competitor info to automatically identify potential talking points. Supercharge your sales. Find product specs instantly during calls, dig answers out of buried manuals, and create quick customer briefing documents. Achieve rapid onboarding by turning static SOP manuals into interactive bots. New hires learn faster through Q&A, which reduces repetitive questions for HR. Use the drafting assistant to synthesize needs and criteria into a first draft. This is great for grants, proposals, and strategy docs, helping you overcome blank page syndrome. The Story Bible Manager helps track plot holes and character details. You can fact-check historical materials for fiction and generate new ideas based on existing lore. Benefit from global accessibility. NotebookLM supports over 80 languages, helping you understand sources and conduct research in languages you don't speak, which is perfect for global teams.